Okay, I just want to show you guys the sound, let you hear it. I'm going to be replacing a half shaft bearing on a 1997 Honda CRV. I want to let you guys hear what it sounds like. I just turned on the car with the emergency brake off. Okay, listen to the noise. The half shaft bearing is in between the front left wheel and the output shaft of your transmission. So it's in between there. The right side just has an axle shaft. It's transmission to the knuckle. It just has a shaft. I'm trying to think of what they call it in the manual. I think they call it axle shaft. I can't remember. I don't think it's drive shaft. I think it's just axle shaft. But yeah, anyways, it's just got that one shaft on the right side, but on the left side, it's from the knuckle to like halfway. It's the axle shaft, but then right at the half point on the left side, it's something called a half shaft bearing, right? And then from the half shaft bearing, there's another shaft, and that goes to the output shaft of the your transmission. Anyways, mine is from 1997, so the bearing itself is probably from 1996. But I'll let you hear how it sounds, why we're going to be replacing it. Are you hearing that grinding sound? It's not supposed to sound like that. It's not the brakes. It's not my front bearings. It's not the engine. I'll let you listen to it one more time. That's not normal. We need to change that out. I got all the parts I need. We got Honda OEM parts. There is a national part shortage, worldwide part shortage. Honda was affected, so you need to check with your dealership to make sure they have those parts in stock. But they didn't have any problems with mine. You can't really see it from this angle. I'll have to do other videos, but yeah, it's in between that shaft and this knuckle.